Free Economic Zone, Bishkek. The Kyrgyz Republic is located in the heart of Central Asia, on the Great Silk Road that connects East and West. It borders with Kazakhstan, Tajikistan, China and Uzbekistan, and has access to the markets of the member states of the Eurasian Economic Union, as well as outside the customs territory. Kyrgyzstan is an independent state which is in among the developing countries. Comfortable life for people, ensuring them with protection of their rights and safety, multilingual and friendly internal environment with sustainable economic growth and high attractiveness for investors. The Bishkek Free Economic Zone is a part of the territory of Kyrgyz Republic, where acts a particular special legal regime for the economic activity of the Free Economic Zone subjects. The Bishkek Free Economic Zone was created in 1995 and has a fenced territory with a total area of 346.9 hectares, an independent budget, its own management bodies, and a developed infrastructure for the implementation of the assigned goals and tasks, including on the territory of the National Exhibition Center of the former VDNH in Bishkek on an area of 43 hectares, in the Akchi village of the Alamedin district of the Chu region, 10 kilometers from north of Bishkek city, 5 kilometers away from Manas International Airport, an area of more than 203 hectares is located. In the city of Karabalta, Jailsky district of the Chuy Oblast, 60 kilometers from the Bishkek city, on an area of 100 hectares has an access to the railway. All conditions for successful business are created in the Bishkek Free Economic Zone. All the necessary modern engineering and communications are carried out. Communications, internet, electricity, waste taps, sewage treatment plants, and gas and water supply systems. A facility security that provides a high level of security for the conduct of activities of the subject of the Bishkek Free Economic Zone. The Bishkek Free Economic Zone offers the following options: land lease for the construction of industrial and office premises from $50 per 1 square meter per year from the moment of entering into the exploitation. The maximum lease term is 49 years. Rental of industrial premises from $1.50 per 1 square meter per month. Office rent at $11 per month. The right to import equipment for raw materials and products to the territory of the Bishkek Free Economic Zone without prepayments. Zero income tax rate. Zero tax rate on property. Zero rate on land tax. One of the cheapest water and energy resources in the world. Electric power 3 cents per 1 kilowatt. Water and sewage 24 cents per cubic meter. Obtaining the full range of services of the Bishkek Free Economic Zone. Extensive market for skilled labor. The implementation of the free export of capital. Free circulation of foreign currency is provided in the territory of the Bishkek Free Economic Zone. Import and export of foreign currency is not limited. According to the law of the Kyrgyz Republic on free economic zones in the Kyrgyz Republic, a special customs regime is in effect in the Free Economic Zone Bishkek. When importing equipment, raw materials and products into the territory of the Bishkek Free Economic Zone from other countries, taxes and duties are not charged. Zero rate. The cargoes following in the Bishkek Free Economic Zone within the territory of Kyrgyzstan move in transit mode. While exporting products manufactured in the Bishkek Free Economic Zone to the market of Kyrgyzstan charge to VAT 12% customs duty on part of foreign raw material and customs fee of 0.25% from the customs value products. Payment for activities as a subject in the territory of the FAS Bishkek in the amount of 2% from the proceeds from the sale of goods, works and services. While exporting products manufactured in the Bishkek Free Economic Zone beyond the limit territories of the Kyrgyz Republic are not taxed. Zero rate. Customs fees are charged at a rate of 0.25% of the customs cost of production. Registration procedure. An application to conclude an agreement on the conditions of activity in the Bishkek FAS containing information about the proposed activity of the applicant, information about the area of the required land plot, information on the estimated capital investment, a copy of the state registration certificate authorized by the Ministry of Justice of Kyrgyz Republic, copy of tax registration form, copy of constituent documents, business plan, inclusion of a legal entity in the register as a subject of the Bishkek FAS. For the convenience of investors, a possibility of online registration of subjects is available on the official website www.fas.kg. And the Bishkek FAS investors, particularly from Russia, China, Germany, Turkey, and other countries, successfully carried out their activities. Nowadays, 299 companies are successfully working on the territory of the Bishkek Free Economic Zone. The list of manufactured products reach more than 120 titles. Placing your production in the Bishkek FAS, taking into account preferences and other advantages, you get the opportunity to reduce production costs, improve the competitiveness of the enterprise, reduce the payback period of the investment project, reduce the need for working capital due to the lack of need to pay VAT and customs duties when importing equipment raw materials on the territory of the Bishkek FAS. The subject's activities on the territory of the Bishkek FAS are regulated by the law on free economic zones in the Kyrgyz Republic, the provision on the Bishkek FAS. Intervention and verification of the economic activity of the subjects of the FAS by any state body is not allowed, except for cases determined by the legislation of the Kyrgyz Republic. The subjects of the FAS are extended to guarantees and the rights of investors and the protection of investments provided for by the legislation of Kyrgyz Republic on investment activity. Free Economic Zone, Bishkek.